Imagine a realm of perpetual twilight where sunlight struggles to penetrate and the crushing pressure could turn a submarine into scrap metal. In the silent depths of the South Pacific, 1997 brought a mystery, a sonic enigma that would echo across the world, captivating scientists and sparking the imaginations of countless others. NOAA scientists, diligently monitoring underwater microphones strategically placed across the ocean floor, detected a sound unlike any other they had ever encountered, a sound that defied easy explanation. Through the static of the deep, the constant hum and crackle of the ocean's background noise, a powerful, strange noise emerged, a sonic boom of unknown origin, quickly dubbed the Bloop, a simple name for a profoundly perplexing phenomenon. When sped up and analyzed, the sound resembled a single massive bubble rising through the water, a visual analogy that helped to conceptualize its immense scale and power, a deep, resonant bloop, a sound that seemed to vibrate with an almost unnatural energy. This was no whale song, no familiar marine mammal vocalization, or volcanic eruption. No geological event known to science could fully account for its characteristics. It was something new, something that challenged our understanding of the ocean's acoustic landscape, a voice from the abyss, a whisper from a realm largely unexplored. The bloop's origin was a puzzle, a complex equation with too many unknown variables, a question mark from the planet's most inaccessible frontier, a place where the rules of our familiar world seem to bend and break. Researchers meticulously replayed the audio, poring over waveforms and spectral analyses, rigorously ruling out the possibility of equipment errors or malfunctions. The sound was real, undeniably present in the data, traveling thousands of kilometers across the vast expanse of the ocean to reach their sensitive sensors, a testament to its immense power. It was a genuine event, a real phenomenon emanating from a place so remote and isolated, it might as well have been another world, a hidden realm teeming with secrets yet to be uncovered. The Bloop opened a new chapter in oceanic exploration, a call to delve deeper and listen more intently to the hidden voices of our planet, capturing the public's imagination and fueling speculation about what other mysteries might lie hidden beneath the waves. The deep ocean, a realm far more mysterious and less explored than the moon's surface, had spoken, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown. Beneath the waves, beyond the reach of sunlight, lies a kingdom of darkness and immense pressure, a world of extremes, home to creatures beyond belief, organisms adapted to conditions that would be instantly fatal to surface dwellers. The Bloop served as a potent reminder of just how little we truly know about our own planet, about the hidden depths that lie just a few miles beneath our feet. It was a call from the unknown, a siren song from the abyss, compelling humanity to listen, and to wonder about the secrets that the ocean still holds. In a world we often believe we've thoroughly mapped and explored, the ocean's secrets remain vast, a testament to the power and mystery of the natural world. The Bloop quickly became one of the great modern mysteries, an enduring enigma that continues to fascinate and intrigue, of the natural world, a reminder that even in the age of science wonders still abound. And so, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, the search for answers began, a quest to unravel the mystery of the Bloop and understand its place in the grand tapestry of our planet. What set the Bloop apart, what truly distinguished it from the cacophony of the deep, was its sheer, astonishing power. The magnitude of this sound event was simply unprecedented. It resonated with an intensity that dwarfed any other known acoustic phenomenon in the ocean. The sound was so loud, so incredibly forceful, it was picked up by hydrophones over 5,000 kilometers apart. This vast detection range highlighted the immense energy behind the Bloop, showcasing its ability to propagate across enormous distances. For a single sound to travel so far, maintaining its integrity and strength, its source had to be unimaginably powerful. It suggested a source capable of generating acoustic energy on a scale previously unknown to science. The Bloop's ultra-low frequency profile, a key characteristic of its acoustic signature, allowed it to cross an entire ocean basin. These low frequencies are less susceptible to absorption and scattering, enabling them to travel vast distances through the ocean's sound channels. Its structure was unique, unlike anything researchers had encountered before, rising rapidly in frequency, then fading away in a drawn-out, almost mournful sigh. This distinctive pattern set it apart from other known underwater sounds. It didn't match the sharp signature of earthquakes, the sudden percussive shock waves that ripple through the Earth's crust, or volcanoes with their explosive eruptions and rumbling seismic activity, but sounded eerily like a living creature, a colossal organism communicating across the abyss. Yet no known animal in all of our documented marine biology, not even the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth and a prolific vocalist, could produce a call of such magnitude. The sheer power output was far beyond the capabilities of any creature we knew. The bloop was significantly louder, an order of magnitude more intense than the blue whale's 188 decibel calls. The difference was staggering, highlighting the unique nature of the sound. Scientists faced a paradox, a perplexing contradiction that challenged their understanding of the ocean. The sound's profile suggested biology, hinting at an organic origin, but its volume hinted at geology, suggesting a massive, non-biological force at play. If it was an animal, a creature of flesh and blood, it would be a leviathan, a being of unimaginable size and power, beyond anything known to science, a true enigma lurking in the ocean's depths. If geological, a product of the Earth's immense forces, it was a type of event never documented before, a geological process operating on an unprecedented scale. The bloop was a riddle, a perplexing puzzle, an acoustic ghost, a fleeting whisper from a world we barely comprehend, a reminder of the vastness and mystery that still lies hidden beneath the waves. Its combination of volume, frequency, and organic structure, a unique and baffling combination, made it legendary. A tale whispered among scientists and ocean enthusiasts alike. The mystery deepened, shrouding the ocean's depths in even greater intrigue, and the search for answers intensified, driving researchers to explore the unknown corners of our planet. After meticulously analyzing the data gathered from hydrophones scattered across the Pacific, NOAA scientists were able to triangulate the origin of the bloop. This painstaking process involved cross-referencing the arrival times of the sound at different listening stations. The results pointed to a remote and largely unexplored spot in the vast expanse of the South Pacific Ocean, a location far removed from human activity and the usual sources of marine noise. Specifically, the origin was pinpointed to a location approximately 2,700 kilometers west of the Chilean coastline, nestled in the waters bordering Antarctica. This desolate and unforgiving region of the ocean is frequently battered by violent storms, creating a chaotic and unpredictable environment. Furthermore, the waters are often choked with massive icebergs, remnants of the Antarctic ice sheet that have broken off and drifted north. Adding to the complexity, the area is known for its intense geological activity, a consequence of its location along a major tectonic boundary. The location lies near the Pacific-Antarctic Ridge, a vast underwater mountain range. This is where the Earth's tectonic plates are actively pulling apart, resulting in the formation of new seafloor through volcanic activity and the upwelling of magma. It's a place where colossal glaciers, ancient rivers of ice, relentlessly grind their way towards the sea. As these glaciers reach the ocean, they calve, releasing icebergs of unimaginable size, some even rivaling the size of small countries, to drift into the open ocean. The sound originated from the Bathyal Zone, also known as the Midnight Zone. This is a realm characterized by crushing pressure, where the weight of the water column above exerts immense force, and absolute darkness, where sunlight fails to penetrate. The extreme conditions made direct investigation of the source nearly impossible, presenting significant logistical and technological challenges. Consequently, researchers were limited to analyzing the available data from a considerable distance, relying on sophisticated algorithms and models to interpret the information. The proximity to Antarctica and its associated geological features became a crucial clue in the ongoing investigation. It hinted at the involvement of powerful natural forces, capable of generating sounds of immense magnitude. For a time, the sheer remoteness and alien nature of the location only served to deepen the enigma surrounding the bloop. The true source of the bloop, shrouded in the mysteries of the deep ocean, remained as elusive and captivating as the sound itself. Scientists proposed several theories to explain the bloop. A submarine volcano was plausible, given the tectonic activity, but the sound signature didn't fit. A massive underwater landslide could generate a powerful low-frequency sound, but again, the structure was off. The most promising theory involved ice, a colossal iceberg fracturing or scraping the seafloor. Such an icequake could release immense acoustic energy, matching both the power and the Antarctic location. These theories painted a picture of a dynamic, sometimes violent planet. Volcanoes, landslides, and fracturing icebergs were all contenders. For many, the answer had to be geological. The idea of a living source seemed too fantastic, at least at first, but the mystery was far from settled. Yet, one possibility refused to fade: the bloop as the call of a living creature. Its structured variable frequency resembled animal vocalizations more than geological chaos. If biological, the source would dwarf the blue whale, requiring a creature of unprecedented size. The idea captured imaginations. Could a leviathan still lurk in the deep? The deep ocean, largely unexplored, could hide such a being, but the energy needed to sustain and power such a creature seemed implausible. Most scientists dismiss the idea as fantasy based on a single, unexplained sound. Still, the possibility kept the legend alive. The bloop quickly became a modern myth, inspiring stories and speculation far beyond science. The most famous theory linked it to H.P. Lovecraft's Cthulhu, a cosmic monster said to sleep in a sunken city near the bloop's coordinates. The coincidence was irresistible for fans of cosmic horror. Online, the idea that the bloop was Cthulhu's awakening became wildly popular. The bloop became a symbol of science meeting fiction, a real-world sea monster for the digital age. The ocean has always inspired monster myths, and the bloop fit perfectly. Of course, there's no evidence for the Cthulhu theory, it's pure fiction. But the myth persists, highlighting our need for wonder and mystery. Sometimes a mystery is more exciting when left unsolved. The bloop became the voice of our deepest fears and dreams. The bloop also sparked conspiracy theories. Was it a secret military experiment or new sonar technology? The hydrophone network that detected it was originally built for Cold War submarine tracking. Some speculated about hidden technologies or even extraterrestrial origins, an alien craft beneath the waves. These theories thrive on the absence of a definitive answer and distrust of official narratives. While scientists dismiss such ideas, they reveal our tendency to project fears onto the unknown. For some, the real monster is secrecy itself. For over a decade, the bloop remained unsolved. In 2005, NOAA began a new survey near Antarctica, recording more sounds like the bloop. These were traced to massive icebergs calving and fracturing, cryoseisms, or icequakes. Satellite imagery confirmed the link between these events and the sounds. By 2012, NOAA concluded the bloop was the cry of a dying glacier, not a monster. The explanation fit immense volume, organic-sounding structure, and Antarctic location. For many, it was a satisfying solution, a testament to scientific patience. Yet some skeptics remained, noting the bloop's unique loudness and signature. They argued the mystery wasn't fully closed. The official verdict was in, but public fascination endured. The bloop's legend lived on, even as science explained it. Sometimes answers only deepen the wonder. Even with an explanation, the bloop's echo lingers in our imagination. It's a symbol of the ocean's enduring mystery and the scale of natural forces. The South Pacific, where the bloop originated, is a maritime graveyard, home to vanished ships and unexplained events. The deep ocean remains less explored than Mars, revealing new species and phenomena with every expedition. Have we truly cataloged all the sea's great creatures? The icequake theory is likely, but science must always leave room for the unexpected. The ocean's secrets are not easily surrendered. The bloop is more than a sound. It's a story of exploration and the unknown. As long as the deep holds secrets, we'll keep listening for the next whisper from the abyss. The search for answers and for wonder continues.